Christmas, everyone. It is December 25th, and that means I have to open the gift I got myself this holiday. So let's get to unboxing. So to start, this is the machine we will be unboxing, the Cricut Joy Xtra. Now we just have to open this up. This will be my second Cricut machine, and I never get over how it looks when I open it. To start, we have this envelope from Cricut. Okay, so here it is, the user guide, this card, and the warranty. Then we have a Cricut Smart Label, some Cricut Premium Vinyl, some more Cricut Premium Vinyl that is removable, some more vinyl, and then some transfer tape. And all of this is Smart Vinyl. Now it's time to open the machine. So it comes with its cords, a Cricut Joy pen, and a mini weeding tool, plus of course the beautiful machine. So now I'm just going to open this very carefully because I don't want to scratch the machine. I am already in love with this machine. It has a matte finish right here and glossy on the front. But first things, before I can play with it, I need to plug it in and turn it on. And I will be showing you how to set it up. Now before we plug it in, we need to remove all of this on the back. So I've now turned on the Cricut Joy Xtra and it's so beautiful. So now we need to add your machine to Cricut Design Space. So let's go. So to upload, you're going to go to your notifications bar and hit the settings button and then go to machines and hit start a new machine setup. Then it's going to ask you to choose whether you're setting up a cutting machine or a heat press. Hit cutting machine. Then I'm doing the Cricut Joy Xtra, so just click that, hit continue, and then just make sure it's all prepped and ready. Then it will search for Bluetooth for your Cricut Joy Xtra. This is a Bluetooth only machine. And then once your Joy Xtra is connected, you're going to need to activate it, make sure it has your correct email and agree to the terms of service, then it will update. Now it's time to create your first design on it. I just used one of the basic Cricut ones, added the word Cricut to it, and then had it cut out on the Smart Vinyl that was included with it. So once it had Bluetooth connected, it was time to load the material, and this is actually super easy, so it just takes it right in, and then you need to press go on your screen, and then it will have you hit the unload button on your screen as well once it has cut. So now you can just put that up and weed it. So here's how the cut came out. It actually cut really nice and really fast. I'm definitely in love with this. Okay, so overall, I love this machine. I think it cuts really well, and I am honestly surprised for such a small machine compared to my Cricut Explorer 2. It cuts even better and faster, which you would expect from a newer machine. I got this from Target for $129.99 during Black Friday. I know, that was like a month ago, but I will have it linked from Walmart, Target, and Amazon down below. And overall, I am so excited to use this machine in the months to come. Comment down below if you have any projects you would particularly like me to do with this, and I'll see you guys next time. I hope you had a great time with me this Craftmas, and have a very Merry Christmas, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy holidays.